In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix CapCut can't sign in. Whether you're trying to edit your next big video or just get started on a creative project, not being able to log into CapCut can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools and tips you need to troubleshoot the issue and get back to creating. We'll cover everything from checking your internet connection to addressing app-specific problems. So grab your device and let's dive right in. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start creating. First, let's make sure your internet connection and VPN settings aren't causing the problem. Begin by verifying that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. You can do this by opening a browser or another app to confirm that other online services are functioning as expected. Reliable network connectivity is essential because CapCut needs to authenticate your account online. If you notice any issues, try toggling airplane mode on and off. This simple action refreshes your mobile connection and can often resolve minor network glitches. If you're at home and still facing issues, restarting your router or modem is another effective step. Routers can sometimes accumulate hidden network errors, and a quick reboot clears those out. Now, if you're using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily and then attempt to sign in again. Some VPN configurations can block access to CapCut servers. Alternatively, if you're in a country with restrictions on CapCut, connect to a VPN server in a different location to bypass those regional blocks. Next up, let's troubleshoot the CapCut app itself. Start by clearing the app cache. If you're on a phone, open the app, navigate to the Me tab at the bottom, tap the gear icon for settings, and select Clear Cache. On a PC, go to the menu, then Settings, and click the Clear Cache button. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that might be causing login errors, and don't worry, your drafts won't be affected. After that, ensure your app is up to date. Visit the Play Store, App Store, or CapCut's official website to download the latest version. Outdated versions can lead to compatibility issues, so it's always a good idea to stay updated. If the problem persists, try restarting your phone or computer. A simple reboot can work wonders for resolving minor system glitches. If none of that works, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Make sure you download it from an official source like CapCut's website or your trusted app store. Don't forget to restart your device after reinstalling the app to ensure you're starting with a clean slate. This step is particularly useful for addressing corrupted data that might be causing persistent login issues. Now let's check if the issue lies with your account or sign-in method. Begin by double-checking your username and password to ensure everything is entered correctly. Typos are common and easy to overlook, so take a moment to verify your credentials. If you're still unable to sign in, try using an alternative sign-in method. CapCut supports a variety of options, such as TikTok, Facebook, Google, Apple ID, email, or phone number. Switching methods can sometimes bypass issues tied to a specific platform. If you suspect your password might be incorrect, go ahead and reset it. You can use CapCut's built-in password reset option or reset it through the platform linked to your account, like TikTok or Google. While you're at it, make sure CapCut has the necessary permissions on your device, particularly for network access. Check your phone or computer settings to ensure the app isn't being blocked from connecting online. And finally, let's consider the possibility that the problem isn't on your end. CapCut servers might be down due to maintenance or temporary issues. If that's the case, the best thing to do is wait and try again later. You can also reach out to CapCut's support team for personalized assistance. They're equipped to handle persistent issues and can provide you with specific solutions. So there you have it. By following these steps, you should now be able to troubleshoot and fix the issue when you can't sign into CapCut. If you still have questions or run into a different problem, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.